council again, checking that we're fitting all the planning criteria. So what's happening now is the hole's been cut for this, which has got a 220 mil?
215.
215 OD. We know that the double insulated line is going to have an OD of 200 mil. So that's going to give us nice clearance. The deck's already been on the roof to double check that this angle here is as per the roof, which is about 28 degrees, give or take. And yeah, making a good job of it so far. So this is what it'll look like when it's completely dressed off. You can see those sweeping edges are a nice detail, and we've got a nice rounded nose or front overhanging the hidden gutter. The second side's going on now, and these are preformed sheets, all equidistant, unlike the other side that had to match it with the reveals. And deck here is cutting off the bottom edge with tin snips here, and that's the exact size. You can see he's put his chalk line in there, and he's going to be working his way along and cutting this to size over the top of the hidden gutter. Hello Wes, what are you doing there, mate?
Just spacing out the clips about 300 mil apart and pegging them up.
And these clips slide, don't they?
Yeah.
So one part of the clip will allow it to move as it expands and contracts, won't it?
Yeah.
There we go. Because if it was rigid and it expanded and contracted, it'd be a right mess.
Pegged and screwed.
Okay, and those pegs fit into that recess there, don't they?
Yeah.
And that top ridge there, that up stem, we saw Ryan doing that downstairs a moment ago at 90 degrees.
Good there.
Yeah, they've started to take over my workbench with their stuff. It's migrating and expanding all of this zinc roof paraphernalia. Wes, what are they?
They're just foams for the top of the panels to stop anything going up under the ridge.
The ridge is going on now, and Ryan was just explaining that where the joins are, that flashing detail there, it's got like 2 rain checks. So if any rain gets in between the panels, if it gets blown one way or the other, it will hit that rain check and then drift off down here into the guttering. So Wes is up there now, just taking the protective tapes off. So you can get a better look of the hidden gutter here, where the drips will come down straight into obviously the hidden gutter. These are at a 0 degree fall, and this has got a 25-year guarantee. But also there's that flashing under there, which we talked about earlier on, that stops any wind-blown rain traversing up inside the roof. If this was ever to get blocked, the water level would come up to here and then it would weir over the side of the building, so it would never actually bridge that gap here and go up inside the roof. So the boys from Cornwall Zinc Roofing have just gone, which is quite good because the rain's just started and the roof's on. I would like to take a few shots by the drone, but I crashed that the other day.